He loves to carry them around and put them where he thinks they need to go. The shelter messaged me about 4 partially blind kittens that needed fostered. They were really not nervous at all.
Are you having fun? You like your cat?
He keeps them clean just like a mother cat would. He also provided a warm furry bed for them to cuddle with and sleep on. They help him by giving him a project, by giving him something to do. And I think that really helped them develop and, get out of their shells as they grew up, and prepared them to be really well socialized, confident cats. When they leave, Braylon will start to act mopey.
Do something fun. You go to work. You want to go to bed. You want to play the cat. Yeah, you want to go?
We get him more kittens and he's back to being his happy, excited self, and we do it all over again.
Get it, show them, girl, yeah, boom, boom, bow, bow, boom, 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 bow.